In this lesson, we're going to talk about training opportunities. But before we start, I want to emphasize something about your first aid kit. Whatever you have, the mega bag, the box, the smaller bags, you need to know what's in the kit and how to use it. And be familiar with the kit before you ever go out. You need to know what's in there and how to use it. And the best place to learn how to use your kit is by taking a first aid course. Now, first aid courses come in different types: online, hybrid classes, and in-person classes. Now, what you really need to do is have a class that meets your needs as far as scheduling. You need to be able to take one that you can get into a classroom with an authorized instructor and practice those skills. You need to get that positive reinforcement, build the muscle memory on how to do these things. There is no substitute for hands-on practice. Now, where do you go to get these kind of trainings? There are different organizations throughout the United States. The American Heart Association, the American Red Cross, Medic First Aid, American Safety and Health Institute. They all offer a wide range of classes. You can take a CPR only course. You can take a first aid and CPR combo course. There's advanced bleeding control. There's how to use oxygen. There's a ton of classes that you can take and get certified to use this equipment. Now, in addition to that first aid course, you may want to level up. And taking a course at a community college or an authorized training center to take something like emergency medical technician. Maybe you want to go past that and become a paramedic. You know, there's what you do in a first aid course is about 4 to 6 hours, sometimes 8 hours, covering the basics. An E.M.T course is 160 hours plus. A paramedic program is 1,400 hours plus. And there's a lot of great information that comes in those courses. Those are professional level courses though. So another opportunity you may find interesting is a wilderness first aid course. Now, there are several vendors out there who do this training. Knowles and the Wilderness Medical Associates provide on-site training. You go out to the wilderness, you practice these things, and you refine your knowledge and your skills. Now, we've talked about where to find training, how to do training, and some of the advanced options. Having these awesome kits is fantastic, but in order for you to use the equipment inside, you have to have that foundational knowledge and be able to use them. I hope you found this lesson interesting, and we'll see you in the next one.